What's up guys, Alex the Car Guy here, and in today's video, I'm going to be attempting to move my 2012 Dodge Charger Pursuit from the road outside of my new house. That's right, I got a new house with a garage and a driveway and no HOA, no condo association, so I can do whatever the fuck I want with my cars. Ain't gonna have no Karens being like, you can't swap an engine in the apartment complex parking lot. Oh, what the heck is wrong with you? Oh my god, you can't start up a car with no exhaust. Oh, it's too loud. Oh, we have kids living here. Oh, we have all people trying to sleep. Oh, man, I hate Karens, man. You know, you start up an engine with no exhaust one time, they hate you. You know. But anyways, so we're going to be moving that car that's already in the driveway into the driveway. I'm recording this after I actually did all this. This is actually the next day after I moved the car, because I made an intro yesterday, but it turned out really bad. So I'm like, okay, let me make a new one. Anyways, but yeah, so I'm moving that car. Hope you guys enjoy. The fun part about this is, you know, you'll see in the video, it has no power. The battery was completely fucked. I can only assume it's probably been about a year since that car has had the battery properly charged. Because, you know, I bought it at auction for $900. $900. Remember that. Back in September 2024. And it went up for auction in August 2024. That's when it's actually posted on the auction site. And so, probably a little bit before that. I'm assuming that car probably developed rod knock around summer of last year. So literally a year since that car has properly been driven and properly charged up, flew the alternator and stuff, properly charged up the battery. So, very unfortunate, but I will have to buy another battery for that car. But, you know, oh well. It's probably better to have a new battery anyways whenever I'm doing all this. Basically, that car's basically going to be brand new, honestly. Because I got the rebuilt transmission, and brand new remanufactured engines going into it. You know, bunch of cool stuff. That car's basically brand new, you know. There's like 80,000 on the body. Actually, not even 80,000. 79,500 and I believe 30 something miles. I got a great deal for that thing. I am going to be spending about 10K getting it running again, but you know, it'll probably last me until I decide, okay, you know, I want to buy a Hellcat now. I'm going to sell my Charger, you know. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys at the end of the video. Man, the entire point of putting a new engine in this thing, a junkered engine in this thing, was so that, you know, when I'm moving, it wouldn't be like a pain to get onto a trailer and, you know, off the trailer and all that. And, you know, battery dies and completely is dead, so I ended up having to do it manually anyway, so it's like, oh my goodness. Really no point in getting that engine ever, so. But I do want to do some stuff to it, but yeah, as you can see, completely dead, nothing there. If I open up the trunk, it's just, the battery is just basically, it's not doing anything, but, yeah. I mean, this car is just full of junk. I need to, like, it's black, and this is in Florida, so this is a pain. Anyways, let's put my keys right here. So, pop open the hood, and see if we can get this thing to start up and go up onto the driveway. Okay, let's see if we can get it. This thing really does not like to work. I don't know what I want, but oh well. Let's see. It's on? Yeah. We got anything? I don't hear anything. Let's see. Okay. We do got power. Let's see. Oh. My goodness. And every time, this thing is just so dead. It's a pain in the ass. It's pissing me off. Fuck! It's not even using it. Like, oh, we got some. Got some more. Let's see. Ooh, we got it started. Let's see if we can get it up here. Engine died. Well, we moved it, so that's good. That's a little bit. And it's raining now. Heck yeah, I love Florida. No, this is all weird. Man, I wanted to get it up there. This thing is way too heavy to push. So. Where's my wheel shocks at? If I can find those, I put them there and I'd see if I can push it up, but I don't know if it's gonna work. If I can just... No, this is not doing anything now. This might have to be like a thing that I do in like multiple parts. I might have to like go back inside and charge this up a bit, because this thing like really does not like working with this car for some reason. I don't know what the heck the issue is, but once it gets to here, it starts like flashing and stuff, and it won't do anything. So really, it's not good. Like, I don't know, this thing, I don't know how much this costs. I got this for free. This is a gift, but yeah, we did get it to move a little bit. It's that's not where I want it to be exactly. So I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go back inside and charge this up, and come back out here in a couple hours and see if I can get this thing to start up again, stuff into drive, and just put it into drive and like go up a couple feet where I want it to be. So, but yeah, oh boy. Oh no, why did I put the window down? It's raining now. It's Florida. What? Am I stupid? It's raining and the window's down, and this car has no power, so I can't like really do anything. I had to swap into shorts because I don't even know I was wearing pants. I had a job interview earlier today and never changed down my pants to change my shirt. So, anyways, let's see. This thing's really messed up. Let me see if I can get anything to come out of it. Put you right on the engine, guys. Let's see. We can get it to like, yeah, enough to like, it's still all messed up. This thing really does not like being used on this car for some reason. This thing's supposed to be good for like 8 liter V8s, 8 liter naturally aspirated cars. So I don't know why it has so much trouble starting up a 5.7 liter car. Yeah, this is not doing nothing. We don't get anything back here. Okay, I do want my window closed, at least. So I might have to pop out the jumper cables. My mobile toolbox. Where's my jumper cables yet? Here they are, right in front of me. Underneath all my garbage. Moving and shit. Using this like moving van most of the time. Anyways, that'd be a good idea to connect them to the car that has a good battery. So you can get the power into here. This car pretty far over. I might be able to get it so we'd see if I put these like basic
to T8 bumper on this. I just need it charged up enough. Let's start the engine for like 20 seconds. That's all I need. Like 20 seconds is enough. 20 seconds. This engine being on, it's like this. Floor, get it 10 feet. That's all I need. It's like I love how these chargers, the 2011, 2014 ones, they have like cup holders under the hood because they know that you're always going to be looking at the engine here. You're always going to have the hood open, looking at the engine, either working on everything. Like, man, Dodge is a real one for that, you know? Putting cup holders up in your engine bay because they know you're going to be needing cup holders. Okay, it's been a few hours. Got this thing started up a little bit more. Gonna see if we can get this thing to start up and get over here. She ain't giving me nothing. Oh well. Why did I buy a black car? There we go. Well, it's not in the road anymore, so oh well. Can I fit my van here though? We play musical cars up in this bitch. Technically illegal to be parked like this, but oh well. Make it so it's gonna be easy, so since my charger wants to be stuck over there, I guess best course of action is put the Xterra where that won't be an issue. Since the charger wants to be not really work good for me today, guess I'm going to be putting my Xterra in the driveway in that spot where between the garage and the car. That way I have a spot to put my van that's not like in the road like that. So but yeah, let's gonna go back around like this. I see people do this all the time. 62-point chain currently. Let me see if I can. This car should be able to fit here. Let me see. It's gonna be real fun to see if we can fit this car up in here. Might be a little bit of a pain, but since the charger doesn't want to be nice and I want to have an easy spot to be able to put my van at, I think I'll do it right this. Because we'll do it like this since I have to do this. I don't use the Xterra as much anymore anyway, so it's gonna be a fucking pain, I bet. It's gonna dig like this. What if done a different way? Oh yeah, I'm gonna have space. Alright. $72.2. There we go. That's almost kind of head-on collision with my own car. Perfect.
Oh my goodness. Next video, we're going to be moving my car 10 feet up the driveway. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Subscribe to part 2.